All right, a lot of people have been wanting to know, what's going on with the tilt array, just giving an update on it. And the thing's been doing good. If you didn't see my other videos on this tilt array, I have a whole build series. I'll go ahead and link that up above. But basically this thing has been doing great. As you see right now, I got it pretty flat, because it is the middle of the summer. And the thing has been doing good. I move it about once a month. I still have my temporary kind of 2x4 braces on it, as you can see. I wanted to put some actuators on this thing to make it move, automatically. Just push a button and get the thing to move. I just have too many projects going on. I hadn't had a chance to work on that yet, but it's working fine with the 2x4s and just, taking the screws in and out, being able to move the thing. We've had several hailstorms this year. Everything's been good. Had several very windy thunderstorms. Had winds over 50 miles an hour, and the array with these 4x6s, the 4x6 post right here has been fine. I still recommend using a 6x6. That's what I would do next time if I did the same type of array with just the 3 posts, especially depending on how high you have it. The higher you have it, I think you'd have the 6x6 for sure, just to make me feel a little better about the thing not breaking in high winds. The bottom line is, in high enough winds, it doesn't matter what you build, it can be knocked down, but these 4x6s between 50 and 55 mile an hour winds, and the thing survived. If the winds are going to be over 30 miles an hour, I'd rather have it more flat like this. So I have came and moved it a few times. If I knew the winds are going up to 40 mile an hour gust or something like that, I would come and try to flatten it out some, because during the winter, when you got it more like a sail, when the angle is a lot more, it's just going to be a lot easier for it to push and break something. I don't know where I got the 30 mile an hour thing. It's just the thing that I picked, 30 miles an hour. I'll come flatten it out some, but I haven't had a problem with it. And it definitely will still shake the way it is now, pretty flat, if the wind's blowing 50 miles an hour. I'll see if I can go ahead and pull up some videos of some different windy situations that I've seen. I didn't get to record them all. I don't think I recorded the one with the 50+ mile an hour winds, but as you can see, trees and stuff are moving around. And then when I go over to the array, it's not really moving that much. I mean, it's shaking just a little bit, but you can't tell a lot. It's twisting a little bit, but it may be kind of hard to see, but you can tell the wind is blowing pretty good, and the thing survived not having a problem. So if you're interested in building one of these tilt arrays and you're worried, hey, maybe something happened to it in the winds, any kind of normal winds, normal situations, you're not going to have a problem. If it's a straight hurricane or straight tornado, depending on the strength of it, it absolutely could break. I mean, it's just common sense. If it can knock buildings and houses down, it can definitely knock this tilt array down. But in most situations, you're not going to have those kind of storms. You might get up to 50 or 60 mile an hour every once in a while, during very bad storms. But it can definitely handle that, all depending on your soil conditions, how deep you got your post. I would try to get them in the ground 4 feet if you're able to, because it's going to be more stable and it's less likely to tip over. If the ground gets super saturated, you don't want that. You want to try to keep this thing where it belongs. So if you got any more questions about this tilt array, hey, let me down in the comments below. And if you like this kind of video, hey, think about hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button, and thanks for watching.